Introducing Prepd Chef Skillet, the ultimate cast iron. Polished and meticulously seasoned to create a beautifully smooth, naturally non-stick cooking surface unlike any other. But what's most unique about Chef Skillet is that it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle so you can sauté like a pro. Chef Skillet works on any style of cooktop, from gas to induction, even the grill or the oven. If you ask any chef, they'll tell you that cast iron cookware gives the best results. But for most people, it's just too heavy to use every day. With the Chef Skillet, we reduce the design down to its simplest, most minimal form, making it over 30% lighter than traditional cast iron, whilst maintaining its unbeatable searing power. And combined with our naturally non-stick cooking surface, Chef Skillet is the ultimate everyday pan.
With the Chef Skillet, we've taken our precision manufacturing techniques to another level to create this magnificent pan.
First, we melt the iron at 2,800 degrees and cast it into this minimal form. Then, we add a large sweeping inside radius, achieved with an enhanced 3-phase machining process. We then season the pan with grapeseed oil to create this beautifully smooth, naturally non-stick cooking surface that will stand up to any challenge, and it will only get better with time. We're making them in both 8-inch and 10-inch versions, and you can only get them on Kickstarter at this incredible price. So whether you're cooking for a family or making a meal for one or two, we've got you covered.
We've also designed a series of matching accessories to help you get the most out of your skillet, from cooking to cleaning to serving, so you'll be prepped for any situation.
We are so excited to bring this revolutionary skillet to life and to get it into your hands.
So please back us and take your cooking to the next level.